To solve this equation, let's begin by drawing a wall where the equal sign is. We have two options when solving an equation with fractions. We can clear out the fractions by multiplying through by the least common denominator, or we can work with the fractions in the equation. Since this is a two-step equation, let's work with the fractions and see what answer we get. I'm trying to get x alone. I have 2/5 times x minus 1/6. The first thing that I need to undo is the minus 1/6. To undo minus 1/6, we add 1/6 to both sides. On the left side, this leaves me with 2/5 x. On the right side, I can put this into my calculator and get the answer, or I can do it by hand. To do it by hand, I need to get a common denominator. The common denominator is 6. So I want to write them so they're both over 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. So my new numerator is 8. So 4/3 plus 1/6 can be written as 8 over 6 plus 1 over 6, which is 9 over 6. Now recall that to undo the 2/5 times x, I divide both sides by 2/5. Again, I can use my calculator. If I'm going to do it by hand, I need to rewrite this as a multiplication problem. 9/6 times 5 over 2. That idea of keep, change, flip. Multiply the numerators to get 45. Multiply the denominators to get 12. So we have 45 over 12. The last thing we need to do is reduce this fraction. I can divide both top and bottom by 3. 45 divided by 3 is 15. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So the solution to this equation is 15 over 4. It is also acceptable to write this as a mixed number. 4 goes into 15 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12, so there are 3 left over. So 15/4 can also be written as 3 3/4. Either answer would be acceptable.